Welcome to this video. I'm going to show you the institutional tool that will let you see the market in a very different way from what you're probably used to. Traditionally, when we start out in the stock market, investing and trading, we all begin at the same place. Indicators, which are basically derived from price. RSI, MACD, stochastic, moving averages. The problem is that those indicators don't give you clear information about the truth of the market. And what is the truth of the market? See if this sounds familiar. You were watching an indicator, say the RSI, and it showed oversold, but price kept falling and never bounced. Or it showed overbought and price kept climbing without any pullback. Or maybe you were waiting for that moving average cross, or a mean reversion that never came. And when you finally entered the trade, all you saw were losses. Sound familiar? I'm sure it does. Relax, it wasn't you, it was the tool. The explanation is simple. You're looking at something calculated from price, from past price data. It's always late. But what if you could see and know where institutions are getting in? Welcome to DarkGamma. Here the approach is completely different. Here we build a visual map that shows you where institutions are positioned, so you can make better decisions. First, let me show you how to create your account. The website is DarkGamma.trading. Once you're in, scroll down the page. Let me give you a quick overview of what you get access to. First, institutional levels. A heat map that shows you exactly that, where institutions are positioned. And that liquidity lets you analyze what price did after each positioning. We have a full platform dedicated only to the SPX for intraday trading. It's our intraday command center. We analyze gamma exposure, the Greeks, institutional positioning, and also the zero DTT. Flow of the day's expiration, a real-time GEX tool where you watch gamma exposure minute by minute, updated live, so you can make decisions based on dealer positioning. Flow and net premium, our tools, like the heat maps. The SPX platform or gamma exposure also work with flow and net premium, something we monitor second by second. Backtest, what if you wanted to open an iron fly every day near the call wall under certain conditions, VIX between 15 and 21. Or your asset, say the SPX, opening with a gap of minus 0.5%. With this tool, you have SPX data going back to 2020. Plus XSP, NDX, QQQ, SPY, IWM, Root, the Dow, and stocks like Meta, Tesla, Google, and Amazon. Indexes, ETFs, and leading stocks. New tickers are added every week, so you can backtest your options ideas and see under which conditions your entry criteria hold up with a very interesting win probability. Historical GEX. Here we analyze day by day how GEX behaves and how positioning shifts. That way you can anticipate a move, adjust your trade or keep it open. There are more than 400 tickers. In the historical database alone and in institutional levels. You have the whole market available, every ticker, every ETF, more than 2,700 assets mapped. Think that's enough? There's more. This entire platform can reach you as WhatsApp alerts, a personalized video that talks you through your trades, your open positions, or your favorite tickers, the news recap, earnings, premium and flow information, which unusual options were opened. You can have all of that before the market opens. And once the market is open, these tools become alerts and reminders delivered to the palm of your hand via WhatsApp every single day. A video library with the live sessions we run frequently at DarkGamma. And courses, we are liquidity-based, and one of the models we use in our analysis is ICT. There you have courses at a symbolic price, $10 to $20. No outrageous price tags, affordable training. You can access whenever you want. Here you have feedback from our members, and here the plans. Let's start with the monthly. It costs $39.99 and includes 300 free tokens every month. Those tokens are used for the artificial intelligence and the WhatsApp alert. And don't worry, inside the platform there are plenty of ways to earn tokens for free. With the monthly plan, you get access to every tool. You click Start, enter your card details, and subscribe. Payment is 100% secure. It's processed through the web platform. That was the introduction. In the next video, we'll start exploring every tool you have inside DarkGamma. That was the introduction. In part 1, we tour the full platform. See you inside.